First of all, I think everyone should know how many Blackberries we have. So let me just take the camera. This is this week's Blackberries.
So we decided to make, what is it, a jam?
We're going to be making
syrup.
jam and mead, but for now, since we have so many, I've made, this is the syrup that I already made. Here, you can take it back now. So this is super simple. You just take a jar, you cram as many blackberries in as you can, then you fill everything around it with just plain white sugar. That eventually, like, all the sugar sucks all the moisture out of the berries. It turns very syrupy. It does ferment a little bit, so what we did is we did reduce ours with a little bit of lemon and a little extra sugar, since the alcohol ate some of the sugar, and this is what we got with. And now we have beautiful blackberry syrup for pancakes, or maybe muffins, or adding to adult beverages.
We should make waffles.
We'll make waffles.